My dream life is just a normal one. Yeah.
Broxh, what's your dream, bro?
My dream has been something I've been living since I was 12 years old, and that's traditional Māori wood carving has been a part of my life for a very, very long time. My culture has always played a big part of my life. It's definitely something that I've always wanted to share with the world, and it's something that I'll continue to share until I can't hold my tools anymore. Something that's really close to my heart now is the passing of my uncle. I was a student and now I've become somewhat of the teacher now. Yeah.
How recent was
3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago. My dream's relatively simple and normal as a father. It's just to house my family and my children, leave something for them behind when I'm gone with the wind. Yeah. I'm not an individual that tries to live, the extravagant life. My dream life is just a normal one. Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
My dream life is a normal one.
Yeah.
I really like that. I respect you a lot, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Bro, thank you so much for sharing that, man.
Thank you.
Seriously, dude.